What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use this Deity microphone with KineMaster to create some awesome effects. First, we're going to start talking about voiceovers. This is an excellent mic which works with both your smartphone and even a professional camera, and it has a ton of different features. The next few bits that you're going to be hearing are going to be coming directly from this microphone.
The Deity VMic D3 Pro comes with a nice carry-on case. As soon as you open it up, you have the mic fully assembled with a shock mount and an auxiliary cable. This will work with both a smart mobile device and a professional video camera. It is designed mainly for vlogging, but you can easily use it for voiceover work and for creating your own sound effects. It features a stepless gain knob, so that way you can control the audio signal input going directly into your phone or to your camera. It also comes with a wind muff, which allows you to capture clean audio even on windy days. This is a one-directional or super cardioid microphone, meaning that you're going to get crisp audio even at a far distance. Now let me show you how to record your own voiceover and create your own sound effects from scratch. We are going to be using this microphone and, of course, the KineMaster app. Here I have my microphone attached directly to my camera. Make sure that you get pretty close to your microphone with the wind muff on. This will avoid any harsh pees or any unnecessary puff sounds. Now open up the KineMaster app. We will import the footage where we recorded the audio. Once your footage has been imported, tap on it and then tap on Extract Audio. Now delete this video clip and add in the other video clip to where we'll be adding the voiceover to.
This is the all-new Deity VMic D3 Pro.
Now make any cuts or trims to the audio clip so that way it fits the video better.
This is the all-new Deity VMic D3 Pro. This is a condenser super cardioid microphone. Perfect for vlogging.
Now I'm making cuts and trims to the video clip. With the audio, you can add an EQ, such as bass booster, especially for voiceovers.
This is the all-new Deity VMic D3 Pro. This is a condenser super cardioid microphone. Perfect for vlogging and for doing voiceover work.
Now finalize the video clips and make more cuts or adjustments to your footage to make it look better.
This is the all-new Deity VMic D3 Pro. This is a condenser super cardioid microphone. Perfect for vlogging and for doing voiceover work.
Now let's move on to creating your own sound effects. In professional films, audio is usually recorded separate from the video. In this shot, I want to recreate the sound of gravel. To get the cleanest audio possible, I have the mic pointed down at my feet, and I try my best to avoid any wind coming into the mic. Try to capture sounds separate from the video in order to get the best audio quality. When jogging, I try to jog in place so I can get the crispiest gravel sounds. Now let's open up KineMaster. Select the 16:9 aspect ratio. Then import your sound effect footage. We are going to separate the sound away from the video. Select the clip and then go to Extract Audio. Now you can delete the video clip and we can use the audio for another video clip. Now import another video clip where we will be adding this sound effect to. I have a separate shot of me walking. Playing back, you can see the audio and the video come together. Now all we need to do is find the right timing for the footsteps, so make the appropriate cuts by adjusting the playhead and the end markers of each track so that way we can make the appropriate trims. Now let's add an EQ effect. I added the AM radio since it brings up the treble and I like the sound of the gravel. Now select the audio clips and add volume envelopes. This will help you monitor and control the volume so that way it doesn't overpower the video. Let's move on to making custom punching sound effects.
Now, I'm not much of an actor or a stunt person, so let's see if these sound effects will sound real with what I'm about to do right now. Oh. That hurt.
To recreate the punching sounds, we are going to use fish fillets. All you need to do is punch them, but make sure you place them on a solid surface so nothing rattles. To make the bone crunching sound effect, just crack some bok choy or celery. It's always a good idea to monitor your audio with some good quality headphones so that way the audio comes out as crisp as possible. Now open up KineMaster and import your sound effects footage. Select the clip and then extract the audio. Now delete the video clip and add the other video clip. Now align the video clip to the sound effect, that way it will match the subject's actions. Now add the bone-breaking sound effect by importing the bok choy clip. Then all you have to do is extract that audio and realign it to the actions of the main video clip. Now let's add an EQ. AM radio sounds pretty good here too. Now add the volume envelopes, that way we can keyframe the volume so that way the sounds fade out. This helps with the transition of the sound effect entering and leaving the shot. And here is the final result.
Oh. 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 That hurt. And there you have it. With the proper tools such as the Deity mic and the KineMaster app, you are limitless on what you can do. Check out KineMaster by clicking on the link in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in another video.